Audio Jungle.
Good morning everyone. Today I will report about one of the most powerful natural disasters in modern history, the 204 tsunami in Aceh, Indonesia. This tsunami changed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people and became a global lesson about disaster awareness. On December 26, 2004 at around 8 a.m., a massive earthquake struck under the Indian Ocean near Aceh. The magnitude was 9.1, making it one of the largest earthquakes ever recorded. Minutes later, giant tsunami waves, some reaching 30 meters high, hit Aceh's coastline. Entire neighborhoods were destroyed, cars, homes, and buildings were swept away instantly. The tsunami caused unimaginable destruction. In Aceh alone, more than 160,000 people lost their lives. World Health Organization (WHO), thousands of families were separated. Many children became orphans. Survivors lost their house, clothes, food, and important documents. Hospitals were full, communication lines were down, and many communities were completely cut off. It was one of the darkest moments in Indonesia's history. Many survivors shared heartbreaking stories. One woman told the BBC that she watched the ocean disappear before a giant wave came toward the land. She ran as fast as she could, but the water caught her and carried her for hundreds of meters. Another survivor told UNICEF that he survived by holding on to a floating tree for hours before rescuers found him. These stories remind us how powerful nature can be and how strong people can be when fighting to survive. After the tsunami, help came from around the world. More than 50 countries sent rescue teams, medical supplies, food, and volunteers. The United Nations described it as one of the largest humanitarian responses in history. Rebuilding Aceh took many years. New houses, schools, and public buildings were constructed. Today, Aceh has become a symbol of resilience, showing the world how a devastated region can rise again through unity and support. The 2004 Aceh tsunami is a reminder that disaster can happen suddenly and change everything in a moment. But it also a reminder of humanity, how people from different countries come together to help. By learning about this event, we respect the victims and honor their strength, the survivors. Thank you for listening.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Complaints that arose while working on this video segment included emphasis when speaking, pronunciation, and speaking speed, which made speech unclear.